Welcome again to MSH Math. This is Sharjeel. Today we will discuss addition. First of all, we will see addition of whole numbers. Let's take an example. If we have to add 57 and 26, as you see, both are whole numbers. So write 57 and 26 by aligning the units and tens places. Before proceeding, I would like to make it more simple. I can write 57 as 50 plus 7 and 26 can be written as 20 plus 6. Now, these two numbers are multiplied by their place values. Now, you can see if I add the unit values, which is 7 and 6, it becomes 13. And 13 is the sum of 10th value and the unit value, which is 10 plus 3. So write the unit number below the unit place values and the 10th value above the 10 place values. Now adding 10 place values, it becomes 10 plus 50 plus 20, 80. Now by adding a unit place answer and the 10 place answer, 80 plus 3, it is equal to 83. It might be helpful to understanding the carry. Okay, now solve the numbers directly. Adding 7 and 6, it is 13. Place 3 here and the adjacent digit will be as a carry. Now adding 10 place digits, 5 plus 2, it is 7. Add the carry 1 with it, it becomes 8. So it becomes 83. Now takes another example. Now we shall add 3 numbers, 623, 257 and 77. Again, I can write 623 as 600 plus 20 plus 3. Similarly, 200 plus 50 plus 7. And 77 can be written as 70 plus 7. Now by adding the unit place values, it becomes 3 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 17. Here again 17 is greater than 10. I can write 17 as 10 plus 7. Now place the 7 below the unit place values and 10 above the 10 place values. Now add 10 place values, it becomes 10 plus 20 plus 50 plus 70 equal to 150. It is again greater than 100. So write 150 equal to 100 plus 50. Place the 10 place value 50 below the 10 place values and 100 above the 100 place value. Now by adding 100 place values, it becomes 900. Now adding 900 plus 50 plus 7, it becomes 957. I hope it is helpful to understanding the carry. Now adds 623 to 57 and 77 directly by adding unit numbers. It becomes 17 place 7 here and the adjacent number as a carry. Now adding 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7, it becomes 15. Place 5 here and 1 again as a carry. Now adding 6 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 9. So it becomes 957. Hope it is helpful. In the next lecture, we will see how to add the decimal numbers. Thank you. See you next time.